people who come and take astrological consultation with me always want to know why I suggest remedies. They also think I suggest remedies because no, it's the way, that's what they all tell. They don't give only the prediction. But I always tell the people, no, I'm like a doctor. So I will prescribe the medicine if the disease or if the karma is very strong. This is Jayashree Astrologer. Today I'm going to talk to you about why remedies is very important in astrology. If you take a horoscope or a natal chart, you just check, you will be giving only the prediction. Many people would say, I want the prediction, but deep down inside their heart, they want to know the solution or the remedy which will help them to come out of the karma. Just knowing the prediction is not going to be useful in any way. To help to come out of the karma is one of the important step of the astrologer, because astrologer is the person who is going to tell you to, or who will help you to come out of the karma. So the only way to do this is through the remedies. So astrology or the astrological chart is the map which will tell you what to do to clear the energy of the back obstacles or the difficulties what one suffers. This I have told lot of people. Now initially there used to be lot of skepticism, but later on people started taking me very seriously after they started seeing the impact. One lady came, she did a astrological consultation with me. She said, I don't want any remedies, I don't believe in it. I said, fine, if you don't believe, it's all right. She was having, I told her to do a simple remedy because she was having lot of problems in the uterus, and doctor had said that they are going to operate on her. I said, you go and do the Abhisheka for the Sarpa statue in the temple. She said, I cannot do it daily. I said, no, whenever you find time, you please go ahead and do it. Because me giving the prediction that you will have the problem, this problem is going to continue, all this is going to put you down. So what she did is simply she went ahead and started doing it. She must have done it for 48 days to 60 days. Then afterwards she had gone again for the test. The doctor said the uterus problems have subsided and they have given her the further medicine so that the operation is not needed. Then only she started believing me, stating like, okay ma'am, now I understand why you insisted me in doing the remedies. If I had just told her that this is the prediction, this is how your life, it would have really pulled her down. Now then she told me, ma'am, I have a business, please help me to make my business take off, become successful and make money. I said, you come and learn the Mahalakshmi Puja, do it regularly. So without remedies, you are going to give only the prediction, it's not going to help anyone. A good astrologer is a person who will help the people A good astrologer is a person who will help the people to come out of the problems. He should know what remedies will help them, how to help them, in what way to help them, what type of remedies will help them. For some people, you require homam. For some people, it is simple repetition of small puja will be sufficient. For some people, lighting the lamp will be very helpful. For instance, if there is a problem, like you have a surgery, you don't have much of the time, but the person requires lot of strength to come out of the surgery, then we always suggest homam. If the person has time, his energy body is very weak, he can take only small amounts of energy, like drop by drop, then we suggest puja. If suppose you really need a clarity of what is to be done, then you require lamp lighting. So an astrologer should know about this, and we always believe simply telling the prediction will not help. Karma is not meant to suffer. Karma is meant to clear the backlash, the big load of the negativity energy which is within us. So please use the remedy along with the astrological prediction. This will help you to grow and also remove your karma. If you like the video, subscribe for the video and share the video. Thank you so much.